Hi everyone, I'm Justin J. Platitas and today I will be sharing 20 common words that are different in American and British English. Let's get started. Color in British English is color. Flavor, flavor. Theater, theater. Center, center. Organize, organize. Favorite, favorite. Program, program. Check, check. License, license. Aluminum, aluminum. Pajamas, pajamas. Fall, autumn. Elevator, lift. Trash, rubbish. Cookie, biscuits. Faucet, tap. Truck, lorry. Sidewalk, pavement. Diaper, nappy. Sweater, jumper. As you can see, even though American and British English use different words, they still mean the same things. Language is fun and always evolving. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something new today.